5 years ago, I never believed I'd be riding around the world on a motorcycle, not to mention picking up a furry little pillion, but that has since become a reality.
Good morning. So Rue and I are getting ready to pack up the bike and head out of Junín de los Andes. Rue is patiently waiting for me to pack everything up. It's a pretty cool morning, so we're going to be layering up. Rue's going to have to wear a coat for a while because she doesn't have any fur. We're on our way to Bariloche. There are two equally beautiful routes. I think it's 234 and 237 or Ruta 40, which is the Ruta that I had my little crash on, the deep gravel. But this is supposed to be paved. I think a couple spots might be hard packed dirt. I want to take Ruta 40. It's longer to get there, but it goes through, they call it the Siete Lagos, the 7 lakes, and it's supposed to be absolutely stunning. So yes, we have to pack up the bike and get going. Okay, we're all packed up, ready to go. Come on, Rue, let's go. Up, come on. Good girl, up we go. Yes. Turn around. Oh, girl, sit. What's wrong today? You're okay. You're okay. You know this routine. We are off. Rue, stay still. It's really beautiful, this route so far, but I don't know if this is a good idea because there is so much traffic. Not what I expected. We'll see in a little while. I am going through town, but even before this town, there was a lot of trucks and cars on the road. This is San Martin de los Andes. It's only about a half an hour south of where I was, but what a busy city. I looked at staying here originally too. I'm really grateful I didn't, because it's really, really super busy. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hope. And Google Maps is still trying to send me somewhere else. Whoa. Not sure why. And here we go. Whew. With all the places I want to stop and take photos, this could be a long day, but a slow day, a nice day. Like just wow. Wow. What do you think, Rue? Incredible. It's all the mountain names. They look a bit different when they're not all covered with snow though. Oops, let's fix you up here, Rue. I know it's warm now, but okay, we're gonna take a little break. Yes. Hola, hola. am glad that I chose this route today. Just had to get through that little city, but it was the longest I've ever had to wait for gas. And I know there's countries where you have to wait a long time for gas, but I waited 20 minutes and there's only one car in front of me. So I don't know what the issue was, but it was slow filling, I guess. And we need some gas. Well, we don't, but I think I might have connection here, so that would be nice. I think Rue and I might have taken a wrong turn because this says Villa de Angostura, which is where I actually wanted to end up in 3 days from now. So, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Just something a little extra for your added enjoyment. Wouldn't be Ruta 40 without a little bit of gravel, although it's construction. Wow, I want to stare at that, but
secrets, hard to keep them, but I can share.
okay, so I'm here to get gas. Sí, muchas gracias. And there's like 20 cars ahead of me. I've got enough gas to get there, but yeah, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go find somewhere to get something to eat and screw this gas. Hola. Yeah, I think so. Todo línea, ¿esto para gasolina? Sí. ¿Hay gasolina aquí? Sí. ¿Sí? I don't know. I've still got lots. Yeah. Famous last words, right? Okay, let's get these on ya. Okay, you're good. You got this. You're good. Yes. Pronto. Ciao. Thank you. No, no, no. Very big German influence here, just like it will be in Bariloche when we arrive. So I just stopped for a break in a town called Villa de Angostura. Big German influence there, lots of Germans, but I stopped for a break and I met this guy who is from Germany, lived in Canada, in Toronto and in Vancouver for 7 years, I think, between the two cities. And he was telling me a story. I don't know, maybe other people know this, but apparently I just passed Adolf Hitler's house. I'm coming back to this town in a couple days, so I'm gonna look for it. But apparently after World War II, Eva Braun and Adolf Hitler didn't die and in Germany or Berlin, and they took a submarine here off the coast and they lived here and they died of old age in that town. I know that Nazi war criminals have been caught here and in that town, and in the next town I'm going to, Bariloche. I've never heard of that before. So again, it was just the craziest story I think I've ever heard.
I got secrets, hard to keep them, but I can shut my mouth. I've been quiet, I hate lying, but I can't figure you out. I've been hiding all my emotions in the dark where no one's allowed. I've been fighting low, I've been frozen. Keep my feelings close so they can't get out. What if I just told you I wanted you to be all mine? Would you come around? What if I just told you I loved you? If I let you in, would you just let me down? Let me It's not fair, I got all these questions. I don't want us to change. I'm so scared of just taking chances if you don't feel the same. I've been hiding all my emotions in the dark where no one's allowed. I've been fighting low, I've been frozen.
Where do you see a town way over there? There. I think that's Bariloche. I think that's where we're going to be staying. So we are pretty close. Yeah, definitely Bariloche. Woo! I'm getting the wind head on here. Holy shit. We are now headed on the other side of that lake towards Bariloche. Let's see what's over this hill. Would ya look at that? Oh my God. And that's Bariloche over there, I believe. But it's still going to take us 43 minutes to get there. Or maybe we have only 40 minutes left now. Today, we got 42 minutes to go. I'm sure we'll find somewhere else to stop and take a photo though.
I got secrets, hard to keep them, but I can shut my mouth. I've been quiet, I hate lying, but I can't figure you out. I've been hiding all my emotions.
Hey there, thanks for taking the time to watch another one of my videos. So Rue and I did make it into Bariloche. We stayed a few days longer than we expected because of the winds, and we've got a day of rain today and half a day of rain yesterday. The plan is to pack up and be back on the road tomorrow, head into Chile. I was able to get Rue's papers, and this time Rue's papers are good for 60 days. So it's kind of going to be like pre-Rue. When I hit a border, all I have to do is go to the border and I get to ride across. No more waiting days for paperwork, no more vet's visits. So this is just good for, like I said, 60 days between Argentina and Chile. And we're going to head south. We're going to head towards the Carretera Austral. Who knows when we're going to make it there. We're not far. And then after that, it's still a ways to Ushuaia. I don't know. It all depends on the wind and the weather. Rue is very comfortable here beside me. She doesn't want to go out today. It's too cold for her. It's raining. And she does not like the wind. It's another crazy windy day out there. And I think that's about all I had to say. So once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.